Hey guys, my name is Yuta Yokoyama. I'm 24. I'm born in Japan, but the my real country is Philippines. I'm speaking Tagalog and Japanese and English. That's my voice. And my favorite superhero is God Jesus and Superman and Spider-Man and Batman, my favorite superheroes. And I do my life. I do my video games and going to work. That's it guys. Bye.